Oh, I replaced the lines, fuel lines got damaged. I didn't have no gas when I pumped this. There was no gas coming up, so now new lines, so gas it's in. Got the lines from well, I just got it from Home Depot. Universal lines, so I already replaced them. I put it together. Let's see if it works. Hold it here, turn it on, shock, and let's see. It's gonna be hard to record it, but let's see. One, chalk, take off the chalk. It's working. Not leaking. It looks good. It's ready. Off. Just remember, when you take it off, when you break it apart, just try to remember this one. Give me a little bit of hard time to put them together, but I got it. So that's it. That's for replacing the lines, gas lines. So everything is back in place and this thing is working. It's ready to go. Okay.